morning.
Good morning.
I am ready for this new tractor. Are you ready for this new tractor?
Yeah, let's try it out.
Alright, let's try it out. Let's do it. Alright. Perfect. Look at this. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. My favorite part. Built-in nesting boxes. Heck yeah, I'm so excited about this. Let's go ahead and set these nest box up, and then we can get these other birds over here.
So exciting to get these chickens moved in their own coop with their own nesting boxes now that they're laying.
It's a windy day. Windy day. Alright, we're going to try to move this flock. And in order to do so, I've got my bucket of feed, and then we got 2 dogs. I don't know if this is going to go well, but we're going to try. So we'll see. Alright, I need you, good sir, to just behave. If they're following me, they're following me, okay? I think these guys are ready to go. You see the bucket? You see the bucket? Just gonna go slow. Well, it was a try. They got to like the roosters and they were like, "This is scary." Except for Miss Pearl. So, changing plans. We're gonna move the goat fence from over there so we have a straight shot that way. And hopefully that'll work better. It was so close. It was so close. But it just didn't work. Good morning to you too. Hello, good morning. Good morning, chickens. Is that good food? It would seem that chicken move has been a total bust. I don't know what we're gonna do. But they definitely don't want to come over here. I don't know. We got most of them in, but we still missed 2. A rooster and a hen. That's okay, we'll get them tonight. I don't ever think I've seen Miss Jordyn run so much in a long time. You chasing that rooster. That's what you needed. You need to have a little fun. Well, we got most of them. So, that's a start. Okay. Take a small break. Catch your breath. Coming inside real quick because I need to get the feed for the pigs. We've got leftovers in our fridge. They're gonna go to them. So, leftover rabbit. So, this is the nice thing about having pigs, is I can just put all this stuff in a pot and then take it out to them. Ooh, it's like not hot this morning, but it's too hot for a hat. So, you know what my favorite part about having pigs is? The big garbage disposal. The walking garbage disposal. So we've got some stuff that's going out. So goes to the pigs. And they love all the scraps. So for the most part, they'll eat almost anything, minus some onions and garlic. They're not onion garlic. Pigs are not onion garlic kind of eaters. I just want this to come out. Alright, there we go. How many utensils does it take? But that looks pretty good. Looks like pretty good scraps. So, we got some turkey, squash, some leftover spaghetti, some turkey gravy, a little bit of bread that we had from our Thanksgiving thing. Yeah, I think they'll like that. It's coffee time. This is a French press, not my cup of coffee.
Though you would drink that much coffee, given the chance.
Yeah, I probably could. We're gonna make some lunch, and then we are going to sit down before you go to work, before Jordyn goes to work, and talk about garden next year. Start talking about seeds. What we need for seeds. I know a lot of places are sold out, so we're gonna do the best we can. Do what we can do. We've got a bunch still from last year, but there are some.
I'm so excited. We have some friends who have been seed saving, and we've been seed saving a few things to exchange.
Yeah.
So we are going over what seeds we want to get for this next year's garden, and I have been ferociously researching what kind of flowers I would like in a cut flower garden. But I would love your suggestions. So please, if you have any great suggestions for cut flowers for the garden, please comment down below. I want to know. I want to know. So far on my list, I have Cosmos, Queen Anne's Lace. I don't know how to pronounce some of these, but it's okay. Cornflowers, zinnias, sunflowers, black-eyed Susans, roses, dahlias, echinacea, chocolate cosmos, peonies, verbena, mint, rosemary, fennel, smokebush, ferns, and eucalyptus. And of course, there's some on here that I cannot pronounce. But
I got one.
you got one?
Chamomile.
Chamomile. All right. So, please, if you have any other flower suggestions, or if you specifically like some of the ones that we mentioned, please comment below. Anyways, I'm going to go over this list and we'll figure out what seeds we're going to pick.
That's all done. So we're doing this really nifty thing. I don't know if you can see it very well, but we're trying to do this really nifty thing where we have all our vegetables, companion planting inhibitors, and extra notes. So next year when I'm doing this, I can keep better track of what did well, what didn't do well. Not that we didn't keep good track this time, but always room for improvement. I'm gonna go see if there's any eggs in this chicken tractor while I let the puppies out, and then I'm gonna go to Tractor Supply because I need to start looking at fencing, which I will be talking to you about in the upcoming videos. Minnie Pearl is out. What are we doing, Minnie Pearl? So Minnie Pearl is our one chicken that will jump the fence to get in and out. See that? She'll just jump the fence. Alright, boys. Leave her alone. Come on. Let's go inside. But anyways, she'll jump the fence to get in and out. I've clipped her wings. I have done everything. And for whatever reason, she'll just boop, right over top. So, we just call her Minnie Pearl. And she gets the benefit of running around on the farm. So, all right, let's get out of here. Get these dogs up. Go check out some fence stuff. I gotta put together one more thing before we go. Miss Jordyn needs a dozen eggs for a lady at her work. So, come on, out. Thank you. So I'm gonna do that. Need to clean up in here. There's like a box on the floor and it's keeping the door from opening. Okay, let's see. Go. See what our selection looks like. Beautiful eggs. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, we gotta go. Here you go.
Thank you.
Y'all are coming.
Piper, you're staying.
Piper's gonna stay, and we're out of here. I got my keys and my phone and my wallet. I think. Okay, I think I got everything too. All right. Whoops. All right.
It's not as chilly as I expected, but it's still jacket worthy.
Yeah. That's where all the egg cartons are.
Yeah. I got
She's got like a ton of them in her car. All right. All right. I love you too.
We'll see you tonight, guys.
See you tonight, guys. Hello.
Hello.
You got a lot of puppies over there.
And a kitty.
And a kitty. They're just everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
All right, folks.
Welcome to the Kelly house.
Yeah, right. All right, folks. I was going to sit down and talk to you a little bit more about our seeds and what we were going to do about seeds, but it is 10 o'clock. We're both home. It's one of the few nights.
And we ate already.
I know. So that means it's one of the few nights we can actually go to bed at a reasonable time. And so I think to end this video here, even though I might make you upset we're not talking about seeds, I think we're going to take advantage of it and go to bed early. and then get up a little bit earlier. So, is that the plan?
I think so.
Okay. Thank you guys for joining us today. We'll talk more about our adventures from today tomorrow, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video.
Bye.